I'm 143, you're 181, but stockhead. Wait! Welcome to this episode of A Small Bike Stuff. It's cold. Anyway, I'm going to meet Paul. Paul, I have filmed his bikes before. I've filmed a few of them actually. So I'm going to go meet him. We're going to fill up the tank right to the top, even though it's already full. And what we're going to do is range testing between him and I. Now, I can't see Paul. Oh, there he is, up there. I found Paul. And our bikes both do things.
Hey?
My camera's on.
Oh.
Hello. Oh. Let's go. Time to hoon. He's behind me there at the mirror. It's got more CC but a stock head. I've got less CC but a bigger valved head, so I've got more flow. Eventually capacity does stump just having bigger valves, so. A little bit of back road action. This is your bog standard New Zealand back road. White painted line. For a long time these were the main highways too. You know, state highways between main centres were just dual lane roads. I started sending it just there and I was like, intersection.
I saw the sign and I was like, is he slowing down?
No, I wasn't. We'll go up that way. How's your bike going?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, you can feel it on the hills.
Yeah.
So where you were, I could hear you go, as I was just like, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the 3000 it does.
Okay. So his bike at the moment has an issue where sometimes it, yeah. Nice. It hangs at 3000. We haven't quite figured out what it is, but we'll get there. The ocean. Oh, this is one of my favourite roads. Let's send it wide open. Third. Fourth. I don't know if you can tell how steep this is. That was amazing. We've got to keep riding, get some distance under our belts. The whole purpose of this ride is to empty that tank, and it's not even anywhere close to being empty. I almost got killed by that truck.
I know.
Yeah.
I turned around, I was like,
We're both wide open and fourth, tucking, and yeah, he's got me. I don't think this is something I can make up with gearing. I think he's just a bit quicker there. Waihi was famous for gold mining back in the day. There's a big brown orange dirt hole at the back. We'll go have a look at that. We'll figure out how far we've gone and then we'll probably just kind of head off and go back again. I can smell oil.
that's probably me.
I just want to make sure none of our bikes are spitting oil onto anything.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, go away, mate.
What do you want?
Yeah, that was a good ride. I'm down to half tank.
Yeah, same.
Oh, shit.
There's a little bit of oil there. I wonder if it's coming out the filter.
Oh no, it's coming out of there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, I found it.
Yeah, do it up next time. We'll go to the pit. We'll stop at the pit.
But you're at half, so I feel okay now.
Yeah, we'll go up there, recalibrate our lives, show them the hole, show them Martha's hole. The Martha's pit, sorry. Wait! Little f***ing C word. History of a era gone by. So that's the old pump house. It's actually got moved to there. It used to be down in the pit more or closer to the pit or... Wow!
Hey, an idol!
There's a big hole.
Oh no, I was just gonna no.
The oil cap was a bit loose. Whereas I have this one here that's done up so tight that I won't be able to undo it with my hands. I need long nose pliers, so that's better. What? I'm 143, you're 181, but stock head.
Yes.
And I've got an aftermarket head. Now, what I've noticed is that the only reason you're slower than me down that big hill was because of, well, apart from the fact we're both fat, says my pies there, the rev limiter.
Yes.
Because you can't go too high because your valves are stock and apparently the piston can't go that fast. I don't know.
It can, but apparently don't, because that's how you break shit.
Yeah.
And I've already broken it once.
Yeah, true. That's true. But going up hills on the flat, you're doing way better.
Yeah, you can feel that extra 40cc.
Yeah, what I'm noticing is, like you said before, you're not downshifting on hills as early as I am. I'm downshifting way earlier to keep up with you, and then I can do the same speed as you. But I'm wide open third, and you're just chilling in fourth.
Yeah.
So
Well,
I don't.
that van in the passing lanes.
Yeah. Oh, I downshifted to second.
Is that what happened? Down, and then I looked up, and you were like there. I was like,
I couldn't see you. That's been fun. Yeah, I'm at half a tank. Mine was 63 k's I've done supposedly.
Yeah.
We thought Paul ran out.
Yeah.
I am this many fuels. Anyway, we don't have much fuel left. Found some ladies that are highly jealous of our machines. Actually, to be entirely honest with you, they hadn't noticed us at all.
Well, if you turn around and I'm not there.
Same thing.
I've run out.
Same thing. I've got the gas. I'm all good.
Oh yeah, shit.
Should we ride back to the BP and just fill up?
Yeah, can do.
And if it doesn't run out, then whatever. Then we just at least we know. You know how big your tank is. I know how big mine is.
Yeah.
And then you'll know how much is left. 144.
Yeah, so that's about right.
Yeah. I mean, it's empty. Like, I can see no fuel in there.
You can still hear mine sloshing around.
Oh, really? You've got...
Hang on, before I fill it up.
Hold on, I'll just pull this up.
4.6 is what you put in it.
That's not bad. 700 mils. Okay. 700 mils left, supposedly. It's full.
It's a Honda.
It hasn't even used anything.
I filled it up to about there this morning.
5.03.
Ooh.
Oh no, well that's the day. That's the video.
Yeah.
How much does it take to run these out? And the answer is more than whatever we just did.